Have you heard of the Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare? Let's talk about the importance of this day. The United Nations established this day to raise awareness about the dangers of chemical warfare and to honor the victims. It's a reminder that we must work towards a world free of chemical weapons. The Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, OPCW, is responsible for implementing the Chemical Weapons Convention. Their work is crucial in preventing the use of chemical weapons. The use of chemical weapons is not just a historical issue. It's a present-day concern, as seen in recent events in Syria and Gaza. So, let's honor the victims of chemical warfare and work towards a world free of chemical weapons. It's up to all of us to make a difference.